Do you know how we got here? Let's go back a little.
Come on!
Wait, we're not that old.
We're here gassing up Tisco. What gases are you guys using for TIG welding?
I can't believe that you forgot that question.
Nick with West Air, and I'm here with Tyler.
Tyler Vance.
Tyler, tell us about what you do here.
We build off-road race trucks, trophy trucks, side-by-sides. Honestly, we built a couple Honda sports cars too. If you got it for us, we'll do it.
Want to walk us through what you're working on here?
Well, this is a Can-Am chassis on the table right now. I figure we just start here because this is where everything happens. So basically it gets built on the table using fixtures and everything else. And then when it comes off the table, it'll go upside down, get welded on like Jared is using right now. And then it'll come right side back up and then go on to the assembly stage. And then from there, it'll get moved to the forward production where we will start it and run it and send it to dyno and testing, everything else before giving it to the customer. Mainly we're using argon. We're using actually 100% argon for TIG welding. We get it from a place called West Air. I don't know if you guys know them.
I've heard of them.
Yeah, they're great guys. They drop off in a hurry for us all the time, especially if we forget to place an order. So we couldn't do what we do without them.
In this industry, precision isn't optional. It's everything. That's why TIG welding plays such an important role. It's a highly precise way of joining metal. It uses a small tungsten electrode to create the weld, giving the welder full control. This is where argon becomes essential. It protects the hot metal from the air while it's being welded, resulting in cleaner, stronger, and smoother welds.
Tyler, I hate to be that guy, but I see a mistake with the car.
All right.
The steering wheel is on the wrong side. So can you redo it?
So this is our Bodor laser. So we have the plate side of things where we can cut out all of our tabs in bulk and put them in stock so these guys can just keep grabbing and going. When you have something that might not be a product line, but it's something that we need, we can still walk over here and cut it right now. Along with this, we were able to get the tube side as well, so we can slide our tubes in, and these will come out notched and perfect every single time and go together like a Lego.
Keep your business flowing. Choose West Air.